SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off HDR video on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're recording videos on your iPhone with the default camera app, then you might notice that the videos that you're watching in the Photos app don't look the same as what you saw on your screen. This can often be due to a setting called HDR video, which automatically tries to optimize the colors in your videos to make them a little more dynamic. If you want to turn off HDR video, then you can open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the camera option from this menu, and then you can select Record Video at the top of the screen. Now you just need to scroll down through the list of options here, and then you can tap the button to the right of HDR video to turn it off. As indicated underneath the setting, this will record up to 60 FPS video and 10-bit high dynamic range, including Dolby Vision, so turning off HDR video is going to stop it from doing that.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.